Hi folks, I want to introduce the residence in which the younger children of the ACCH Childcare Home and Child Protection Services live. You'll see the condition of this place is not great on the surface, but it is substantial. It seems to be a solid structure and worth preserving. In the future it may be sold so that the farm and dormitories on the farm can be developed for the expansion of services, childcare services. But at present we need to secure this place and improve the septic and toilet system and make it a healthier place for the children to live. We could also do some work on walls and wardrobes and things like that, but those details remain to be worked out. We do have a plan for the improvement or the upgrading of the septic system. It will require moving the septic system some metres in one direction or the other, and that's already worked out on paper, but we will need the funds. I will let you know exactly how much, and we want to make a contract to get this done within the next few months if possible. There's a bit of urgency regarding the septic system because at the moment the young children, girls and boys, shower virtually on top of the septic system, and the food preparation and serving area is also right beside the septic system, and it's really not ideal in terms of hygiene. So that's why we're making this septic movement, the movement of the septic system, a priority. Just studying these plans, and the total cost to do the girls and boys toilets and the septic system looks like about $8,000 or $9,000. I'll double check that, but I think that's extremely good value, and it looks like the gentleman who has provided the quote and the plans knows what he's doing, so pretty confident there. I'll let you know details later. So your support will be greatly appreciated. For the moment though, I'm just wanting to bring you up to speed on the current situation, so please take this as information and prepare for the future. Thank you very much.